Syra, can you lead the prayer?
What do I say?
Pray. Anything you want to say to Lord.
I don't know what to say.
Just say what you want to say to God. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
God, I hope that you guide us in our math class today, and thank you for guiding us today. Amen.
Thank you, Zaira. So, let's have a recall on what we have studied yesterday. We studied about expanded exponential form. So for today, we're going to study about rounding off numbers. Let's see.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I go to the bathroom?
Hmm?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Hindi kita marinig, Gideon.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Okay. Let's wait for Gideon. Do you know what rounding off number is?
Yes.
Yes. Rounding up and rounding down. Yeah? If the number is less than 4, what are we going to do? Round up, round down.
Round up.
Round down. If we have a number 5, we're going to round up. Okay? Let's wait for Gideon. Okay, let's start. So now let's have a round of numbers to the nearest place value. Ano nga mga nearest mga place value natin? We have, ayan, nakikita nyo, can you see the slides? Okay, we have ones. Can you please read Gayen?
Ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions.
And then ones we have,
Ones, tens, hundreds.
how about thousand, Zaira?
Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s.
How about in millions? 30. 30.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billions, 10 billion, 100 billion, 10 trillion, 10 trillions, 100 trillions. This class is too easy for me. I know what is three term. It's star 3.
Okay, thank you, 30. Okay, so we have ones, thousand, millions, billions, up to trillion. So for today, we're going to a round of numbers to the nearest place value. Okay, so this is our place value. And this is rounding numbers. Can you please read, Princess?
Place values. Trillions, millions.
Hmm? I can't hear you clearly, Princess. Rounding numbers, a rounded number. Okay, ako na magbabasa. Okay, rounding numbers, a rounded number.
Naglalag pa ako, sir.
Ha? Ano, Princess?
Naglalag pa ako, sir.
Naglalag?
Naglalag ako.
Mag-rejoin ka ulit. Try mo. Pero naririnig mo. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Opo.
Okay, so for today, we're going to round
Yes
numbers.
po.
Okay. A rounded number has about the same value as starting number, but it less exact. Find your place, look next door, 5 or greater, add 1 more. Okay, katulad nga ng like what I am saying kanina, when we have less than 4, or less than 5, we're going to round down the numbers. For example, here, ayan na, nakikita nyo? Here, round to the nearest 10. Ayan, we have 4 here. Is this less than 5 or more than 5?
Less than.
That's why it stays 50, right? Kapag nag-up siya, pag naging more than 5 siya, for example, it's 55, then it will be going to 60. Naintindihan? Question? And number 2, 5. Is it less than 5 or more than 5? Equal to 5, right? Right? Gayen. Is it less than 5 or more than 5 or equal to 5? This one, 55.
Equal.
Equal to 5. That's why it's round up. Ayan. Kapag less siya sa 5, we're going to round down the numbers to its nearest place value. Kapag naman more than 5 or greater than 5, we're going to round up the number to the nearest place value. Okay? Let's see this, 313. The tens here is less than or more than 5? Zaira. Yung 313 dito, the tens. Ones place. Ito yung 3. Is it less than 3, less than 4, less than 5 or more than 5?
Less than 5.
So what are we going to do if it's less than 5?
Round down.
Round down. That's why it is 310. Okay? And then 549. The ones here, yan yung place value na nasa 1, which is 9. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? Princess.
Less than 5.
9?
More than 5.
More than 5. Kapag more than 5, what are we going to do? Round up, round down. Gideon. If the number is more than 5, what are we going to do? Round down, round up.
Round up.
Round up. Very good. That's why it is 550. Okay, do you have any question? Always remember lang, ang lagi nyo lang tatandaan is kapag ang hinahanap natin, if we're going to find the nearest 10, look for the ones place value. Here, as you can see, we have 4, 5, 3, 9, 1. What is the place value of this? Gayen, what is the place value of this? 4, 5, 3, 9, 1. Gayen. Di ba once siya? Di ba? Am I right, Syra? Okay. So kapag pala ang hinahanap natin ay nearest 10, we're going to look the place value of ones. If it is less than 5, then we're going to round down the number. And then if it is more than 5, then the number we're going to round up. Okay? Understand? Nagigets? And then, kapag naman, if we're going to find the nearest hundreds, and lang. If we're going to find the nearest hundreds, we're going to look for the tens. Place value, tens, here. Here, as you can see, we have 5 in 415. What is the tens? What number is in the tens place? 30.
1.
In 415. What number is in the tens place?
415. 1.
1. Okay. In 950, Gideon, what is the tens? What is the number in tens place?
5.
5.
So,
How about in
add
7,261? Zyra,
6.
6. How about in 7,221? Gayen? What number is in tens place? In 7,221, Gayen?
2.
2. And then the last, in 36,430, Princess, what is the number in tens place? We have 3, right? Ayan, naglalag kasi si Princess, okay? So, if we're going to find the round off of the numbers to the nearest hundreds, we're going to look for the tens. Okay, kung yung tens place is less than 5, then we're going to round down. That's why in 415, naging siyang 400. Nagigets? Thumbs up kung nagigets. Thumbs down kung hindi nagigets. Nagigets? And then 950, the place value, the number in tens place is equal to 5. That's why it is 1,000. Round up. Diba? And then 7,261, the tens place, the number in tens place is 6. Kaya siya naging round up, kaya siya naging 7,300. What if itong 7,000 is 7,231? Look at the screen. 200. 7,200 ay 31 yan ha. What is the nearest number to 7,231? Yes, Gideon. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
7,200.
Okay, very good. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? Do you have any question? Kapag nearest 10, you're going to look for the ones place. Kapag naman ang hinahanap is nearest to 200, nearest to the 100, you're going to look for the tens. Okay? And the next, kapag naman 1,000 ang hinahanap natin, look for the hundreds. For example here, nakikita niyo yung example? Ayan, we have 1,450. What is the number in 100 place here? We have 4, right? Here, we have 4. And then it is less than or greater than 5. Gayen, is it less than or greater than 5? The 4 here in 1,450.
Less than.
Less than. That's why we're going to round up or round down.
Round up.
That's why we have here 1,000. Okay? And 2,550. What is the number in 100 place? Zaira.
5.
5. Is it equal or less than or greater than 5?
Equal.
Then what are we going to do? Round up or round down?
Round up.
That's why it is 3,000. Okay? Nearest 1,000. And then kapag naman nearest 100,000, you're going to look for the 1,000 place. 1,000 place. What is in the 1,000 place here in 123,345? 1,000 place. What numbers in 1,000 place? Princess.
What is the question, ulit?
The question is, what number is in... Wait lang, ang lakas ng background ko. What number is in the 1,000 place in 123,345? Here, anak ko. Ano yung number na nasa 1,000 place? We have 3.
3.
Is it less than, equal, or greater than 5?
Greater than 5?
Itong number 3, is it less than? When we say less than, mas mababa. Is it less than, greater than, or equal to 5?
Greater than 5?
3 is greater than 5, ba? Mas malaki ba yung 3 sa 5? Or mas maliit yung 3 sa 5? Okay, Gideon.
3 is lesser than 5, so therefore you have to round down.
Round down. That's why the answer here is 120,000. Okay? Nearest thousand. Here in 4,500,250. Kapag millions na yung hinahanap natin, you're going to look for the 100,000. What is the number in 100,000 here? 30. In 4,500,250. 30. What number is in 100,000 place? Thirty.
What?
What is the number in 4,500,000 and 4,500,250? 250. Can you tell me what number is in 100 place here? 100,000. We have the number.
500,000.
Have the number 5. Is it less than or greater than 5?
Less than.
Is it less than, equal, or greater than 5?
Okay.
It is equal to 5. Then we're going to round up. Okay? So we have here 5 million. Siya is malapit or near sa 5 million. Nagigets nyo? Do you have any question, Princess? Kapag nearest 10 ang hinahanap, you're going to look for the ones place. Kapag nearest 100, you're going to look for the tens place. Kapag if naman ang hinahanap is 1,000, you're going to look for the 100 place. Number in 100 place. Doon kayo magbe-base, okay? And then kapag naman 100,000, you're going to look for the number in 1,000 place. Okay? Kapag naman in a million, you're going to look for the number in 100,000 place. Kapag ang number, if the number is less than 5, what are we going to do? Round up or round down? Everyone.
Round up.
Less than to 4? If the number is less than to 5? Round down or round up?
Round up.
Less than siya sa 5? If the number is less than 5, you're
The
going
number
to
is less than 5, round down. If it's
round.
equal or greater, you round up.
Okay. That's correct, Gideon. Okay, in your NB3, get your NB3, notebook number 3.
I got it.
Okay, in this activity, can you show me your NB3? NB3. Okay, in this activity, you're going to round the number to the nearest place value. Okay? Round the number to the nearest place value. Do you have any question regarding with our topic?
Teacher,
Yes, Gideon.
What are we supposed to look at? So like if it's 1,000, if it like reaches the thousands, do you like nearest? What?
Can you speak loud? Can you speak louder?
Teacher, if it's like 1,000, like 4 digits, what number are you supposed to look at? So round up or round down?
You're going to look for the nearest place value. For example, here in 4,555. Saan siya malapit na place value?
5,000.
Okay, that's right.
But like what number are we supposed to look at? Like number 2, like 5331. Which number are we supposed to look at like that?
Di ba sabi ko kanina, kapag the number is 1,000, you're going to look for the hundreds. Ayan, no?
So like
Di ba?
each time. So it's like if it's hundreds, you have to look at tens.
Yes. If it's
Oh,
million, you look for 100,000. Any question? Princess. Do you have any questions? You can ask me.
Wala po.
Okay, nagigets? 30, do you have any question?
Done.
Okay, Gayen, how about you? Nakakasabay? How about you, Zaira?
I'm done.
Done.
Okay. Let's wait for the others. How about you, Gayen? Are you done? How about you, 30, Princess? 30, done?
Done na po.
How about you,
Yes po.
30? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, check your own answer. Honesty is the best policy. I will check that also tomorrow. For number 1, we have, what is your answer? 5,000.
5,000.
5,000. Why 5,000? Because the numbers in the hundred place
Because the
is
numbers it's equal to 5.
equal 5. How about in number 2? What is your answer, Zaira?
4,000.
Hmm?
4,000.
Still, how about you, Gayen? Number 2.
5,600.
Saan galing yung 600? How about you, Princess? What is your answer?
5,300.
How about you, Gedeon? What is your answer?
5,000.
It's
5,000.
5,000. How about you, 30? What is your answer? Thirty.
1,500.
Okay, so thank you for your answer. The answer here is 5,000. Why 5,000? The number in 100 place is 3. Is it less than or is it
Less.
less than 5, diba? So it stays in 5,000. If this is 5 or 6, then we're going to round up, right? So the answer will be 6,000.
6,000?
kung 6 to, di ba? Kunwari, for example, mas mataas sa 5
Oh.
yung value nitong 3. Di ba?
Yes. You were talking about the 765.
And then, nagigets ba, Zaira? Your answer here is? What is your answer nga dito? 6,000, right? 5. What is your answer? 4,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pag less than 5, it will stay in 5,000. Okay? Next, number 3. What is your answer, Gideon?
Wait. 800.
How about you, Princess?
700.
How about you, Zaira?
800.
How about you, Gayan?
800.
And then 30,
800.
800. So the answer here is 800. Okay. What is your answer, Princess?
700.
700. You will look for the tens place here. The number in tens place. We have 6. It is less than, greater than, or equal to 5. It is less than, it is greater than to 5, right? That's why we're going to round up. Okay, please remember that. And number 4, what is your answer, Princess?
2,000.
How about you, 30?
3,000.
2,000. How about you, Gayen?
2,000.
How about you, Gideon?
2,000.
How about you, Zaira?
2,000.
Okay, the answer is 2,000. The number in the 100 place is 0. It is less than 5. So we're going to round down to the nearest place value. 2,000 to, 2,000. Hindi 2,001. It's 0, okay? Do you have any questions regarding with our topic? We round numbers to the place, nearest place value, okay? If we have less than 5 numbers, what are we going to do? Round up or round down? Everyone,
Round down.
round down. If the number is greater than 5, we're going to
Round up.
round up. Okay, thank you very much for this day. I hope you learned something. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, 30. Bye. Bye, Princess.
Bye-bye po.
Okay. Bye, 30.